Have you ever heard the saying, the best way to predict your future is to create it? Your future doesn't happen by chance. It's built by the decisions you make today. We all have money habits. Some propel us forward while others weigh us down. Now is the perfect time to reflect. Whether it's financial traps or life-draining behaviors, these habits can block your growth. But the good news? You can break free. We're breaking down 10 money habits that keep you poor and showing you how to change them in 2025. Each money moves explain in these pointers backed by real-world examples, facts, and strategies to help you turn your financial life around. At the end, you'll know what things you should not do with money. So, subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's go to the point number 1. Ignoring the power of small investments. Let's start with this, The Psychology of Money, by Morgan Housel highlights how time in the market beats timing the market. Small, consistent actions matter more than sporadic big moves. Many people always thought, I'll invest when I have more money. But the years flew by and he realized he'd missed out on thousands of dollars in compounding. Investing just $5 a day in a fund with a 10% annual return could grow to over $100,000 in 20 years. Every penny you don't invest is money working against you. The key takeaway is to stop letting your money sit idle in a savings account with low interest rates and start putting it to work. Begin now, no matter how small. Whether it's $50 or $100 every month, start investing in stocks, mutual funds, or SIPs. Investing small amounts early is not just a habit, it's the gateway to achieving financial independence and wealth that lasts. Number 2, postponing happiness to someday. Do you catch yourself thinking, I'll be happy when I get that job, or I'll start working on my goals after this project? This mindset is a trap. The reality is that success and happiness aren't waiting for you in the future. They're built today. Start small. Take actionable steps now, no matter how imperfect the circumstances seem. In Atomic Habits, James Clear explains that small, consistent actions lead to big results, and that growth is a daily process. Make today count by creating momentum that will carry you forward. The true key to success isn't waiting for everything to be perfect. It's in taking action and finding joy in the journey. Number 3, carrying high-interest debt. Credit card debt is financial poison. Paying 20% interest means your purchases cost significantly more in the long run. A $1,000 item paid off in minimum payments could cost over $2,000 due to interest. The average credit card interest rate in 2025 is over 20%, meaning unpaid balances snowball quickly. Avoid debt for depreciating assets. Focus on clearing high-interest debt first, using the avalanche method. Tackle the highest interest rates first. Only borrow for investments that grow in value. A debt-free life gives you peace of mind and the ability to invest in wealth-building opportunities. Number 4, following the crowd. Following the crowd is a dangerous habit that often keeps people poor. Many individuals make financial decisions based on what others are doing, whether it's investing in trendy stocks, spending money on the latest gadgets, or keeping up with peer pressure. The effect of following the crowd is clear. It leads to overspending, accumulating debt, and losing control over one's financial future. To break free from the crowd, develop a mindset of financial independence. Learn to evaluate your own needs and make decisions based on your long-term goals, not the temporary trends around you. Number 5, underestimating the power of skills. A person spent $10,000 on a new car but refused to invest $500 in an online coding course. Fast forward 2 years, her car depreciated, while her friend who took the course doubled their income. A 2024 report from LinkedIn revealed that upskilling increases earning potential by an average of 50%. Invest in yourself. Platforms like Coursera or Skillshare offer affordable courses that can transform your career. Acquiring high-income skills accelerates your path to financial freedom. Number 6, spending to impress. Have you noticed someone's Instagram feed was full of luxurious vacations and branded outfits, but behind the scenes he was in debt? Studies show that people often overspend to impress others, leading to financial stress. Stop seeking validation through possessions. Ask, would I buy this if no one else knew? Shift focus to impressing with achievements and skills, not things. By avoiding this trap, you free up resources for meaningful goals like education, investments, or travel. Number 7. Ignoring tax efficiency. The wealthy maximize tax-saving strategies like contributing to retirement accounts or claiming deductions. In contrast, many middle-class earners overpay by neglecting tax planning. Tax-efficient investing can save you thousands annually, compounding your wealth over time. Consult a tax professional or use tools like TurboTax to optimize your taxes. Keeping more of your earnings accelerates your journey to financial independence. Number 8. Spending without a plan. Let me ask you, when was the last time you budgeted your monthly expenses? Now, let me share a story about my friend, a freelance graphic designer who used to spend money as soon as she earned it. One day her car broke down and she had no savings to cover the $1,200 repair bill. Create a simple monthly budget. Use simple tools or even a basic spreadsheet can make a world of difference. Start with the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to investments. Budgeting isn't restrictive, it's empowering. Imagine sailing a boat without a map. You'll end up lost, right? Track your expenses from today. Number 9. Short-term thinking. Instant gratification often leads to financial regret. Skipping investments for a lavish vacation today could mean delaying retirement by years. Buying the latest gadgets, going out for expensive dinners, or taking a vacation you can't afford, without considering the long-term financial consequences. The solution is to shift from short-term satisfaction to long-term growth. Instead of spending on fleeting pleasures, focus on creating wealth that grows over time, whether that's through consistent investing, saving, or starting a side business. The key takeaway is that the road to financial freedom is paved with discipline and patience. Number 10. Not tracking net worth. Not tracking your net worth is a costly mistake that keeps people from achieving financial success. Many people live their lives without ever calculating their net worth, which is the total value of their assets minus liabilities. Without tracking it, you're flying blind, making financial decisions without a clear understanding of where you stand. The result? You may be overspending, taking on unnecessary debt, or investing in the wrong places, all without realizing how these choices are holding you back from true financial growth. To resolve this, start tracking your net worth regularly, even if you're just beginning your journey to wealth. In You Are a Badass at Making Money, Jen Sincero advocates for taking control of your finances by being aware of where your money is going. If you're not tracking your net worth, you're not truly in control of your financial future. Awareness is the first step toward taking actionable steps that lead to wealth. Each one of these habits is reversible. Start small, but start now. The truth is, breaking free from these habits isn't easy, but it's worth it. The life-changing question is, will this decision bring me closer to my financial goals or further away? Ask yourself this every time you spend, invest, or save. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.